The one, no, 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 no. Like a city boy from the island, step into the place and I'm starting.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing something a teeny tiny different, a little bit of twist going around here. Ever since I uploaded my monthly favorite video, I think a couple of weeks ago, and featured my Makeup Revolution HD Pro Innovation Palette, you guys have fallen in love with it. You guys have been DMing me on Instagram asking me to make a makeup look, so I created this eye makeup look right here. Please note in this video I only concentrated on the eye makeup, not the rest of my face. So in the video you'd only see me doing just the eye, and then I'd probably like go off and then come back and do the full face. So anyways, if you like watching this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to create them because they're kind of fun. I mean, they test, like, you know, your artistic side. Disclaimer though, I am not a professional artist in any single way. This is just how I do my makeup. These are just some of the tricks and tips that, you know, just work for me and my face, and I'm pretty sure they work for you too. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to review certain palettes, show you more palettes, do more makeup looks. Let me know, because I need to know. So if you like what you see so far, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below, and also the bell button like so that you can get notified each and every time I upload. Yeah, join the fam, because I would love to have you. And okay, I'm jumping right into the video. Okay, let's go. To start off with this look, I'm placing tape on the sides of my eye. You'll understand why towards the end of this video. Then I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer in the shade 845B and placing it on my eye as a base. You can also use a primer, but I personally like using a concealer as it makes my eye color pop. Then I'm taking my flat brush and blending the concealer, followed by using a beauty blender. I use this to make sure there are no creases in my eye, because if there are creases, then it would kind of make it really difficult for me to apply the eyeshadow. I'm taking this pink shade and applying it on my crease and above my crease. Then I'm taking this maroon pink and placing that onto my crease. Now this helps me create a lot of definition, and it will also differentiate it from the previous pink that I used. Next, I'm taking my flat brush, putting on my Wet n Wild concealer yet again, and creating a cut crease. Now for this one, you want to take your time, honey. Don't rush. You are not in a hurry to go anywhere. Just take your time and just cut out your crease. So guys, I'm gonna focus on this eye so that you get an in-depth feel, instead of me going on this eye and then back on this eye and then back on this eye and back on this eye. I hope that makes sense. Then I'm taking this white shade over here and I'm applying that on my crease area. This will help me create a lot of definition to my cut crease. Take your time, don't rush, just make sure you pat on the color and make sure you get a lot of pigment on there. Next, I'm taking this fuchsia pink shade and I'm placing it on the lid, almost on the lid of my eye. I'm blending that out so that, you know, I create a very nice luminous transition. In case you blend out too much, make sure you tap on more. Then I'm going in again with that pink maroon shade and I'm placing that towards the outer corners of my eye. Now this will make me have a nice ombre cut crease. Blend, 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 blend. So this is how it looks. I'm not sure whether I want to go in with a touch of black to the sides just to give me a little more of contrast. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a risk, okay? Because makeup is about taking the risk, okay? Line going on right here. It is sharp enough to cut a vegetable, like, oh, girl. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be back, okay? So guys, that's it for the video. I really hope that you learned something. This is my first time ever doing something like this on my channel, so I was definitely nervous and that's mainly why I didn't speak. But if you guys want me to speak in my next video, I will definitely do that. And yeah, I really hope that you liked it, and comment down below if you want me to create more looks like this, like more makeup related looks. Oh, by the way, so I'm going on this really hot date with dun-dun-dun-dun. I know I have to go study now. You guys are probably like, you know, having a good time, chilling with your friends, and I have like these really shitty exams, so bye guys.